Hi everyone, this is Miss Lisa, and today we're going to be working from our Valentine craft kit to create a decorative garland made out of hearts that you can decorate in all kinds of different ways. And you can make this as long or as short as you want and make your hearts different sizes or all the same size. So this example here is just one way that it could look. I'm going to show you how to create the garland itself using paper and a sticker or glue or tape, and then you can decorate in whatever ways you would like. So we're going to start with some paper and scissors and something sticky. I like to use some of this gold tape or a sticker or a gem sticker like I have right here. So there are a lot of options. Let's start with our paper and our scissors. Okay, I'm going to start with a full sheet of paper from my craft kit. Now this will make a big heart. What I'm going to do is fold that in half, matching up my corners as best as I can, and crease down the middle. Now I am going to cut half of a heart. So when I open up where my paper's been folded, it'll be an entire heart. Right? So starting at the bottom of the fold, this is the folded side, I'm going to cut up toward the side and the top. We're gonna curve around to create this shape. It almost looks like a teardrop or raindrop. When we open it up, we have a heart. You can make adjustments to it if it's not quite the right shape you want. I am going to cut a little bit more off of this. To get a different sort of shape. Now, what we're going to be doing is actually keeping that, folding it back up, and cutting away the same kind of shape, but smaller. So I'm going to start up from the bottom, but not all the way at the bottom, and follow the same curve, trying to keep this outer part as even as we can. Make sure it's the same thickness. And when we open that up, then we end up with a heart that has the middle cut out. Now I'm going to save this piece and create a smaller version because this is also a heart. So we can get more than one heart for our garland out of a single piece of paper. in just different sizes. Now the way that I am going to attach these, how am I going to get them to be together? Like my example. Well, what we're going to do is cut the bottom of our heart open. And we'll do the same for every heart we make. I'm going to use this piece of red that already has some paper missing. And I'm going to make a heart from this bigger part that I have left. So the same way that I did with my full sheet of blue, I'm going to fold this in half. And I'm going to cut on from the folded side to make that half of a heart. Okay, now this is quite a bit smaller, but I'm still going to cut another heart from inside. Now this is really too small to use anymore, but now I have this that I can add to my garland. I'm going to cut away or cut through, and the more hearts I make, the longer my garland will be. But I'm going to show you now some ways to attach them together. Okay. So what we'll do is open up one of our hearts and slip one side underneath this next heart. Then we'll need to close the bottom, or tape or glue or sticker together that cut we made right there. So I'm going to use a sticker for this one, and I'm going to use a little piece of tape for that one. So you can mix it up. But before I tape it shut, I'm going to continue adding more hearts. Have some that are cut already. And when I have added my hearts, I can then close the bottom, tape or a sticker. I like to cut my tape down and I'm placing it right over that bottom cut. Now I could leave it like this, continuing to add hearts, close them at the bottom, and have just a sticker or tape as a way to close and decorate. If you didn't want to see it and you had some clear tape, that's another option. Okay. I like to make it really decorative though. So I like to use different materials on my different hearts, like adding on some sequins with a little bit of glue. I could add some drawing with my markers or my pens. I like to draw hearts on hearts. You could add some writing. However you want to add to your garland. One other thing we could do, if you really want to mix it up, is add some fuzzy sticks in the shape of a heart. So if I were going to add this, I don't need to do any cutting. I am just going to slide that underneath my paper heart and bring the two ends together and twist them so they make a loop. That twist will be the bottom of my heart, and I will push the top of the loop down towards it, make a little pinch, and just adjust that bendy fuzzy stick until I get the heart shape I want. And that is another way we can add to our garland. I forgot to close that one. Now when I pick it up like this, the hearts might go in different directions, but when we hang it on the wall or from a doorway, the hearts will sit a little more flat. It's just a little tricky to hold it up. Right, so just with the simple materials of paper and scissors and something sticky, you can make this really beautiful garland. And if you want, you can add all kinds of other decorations and use all your creativity to make this garland really unique. I cannot wait to see what you come up with, and I hope you enjoy this project and make some really fun decorations for your room or your house, or even to give to someone you love.